In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily reorder or rearrange PDF pages in a PDF for free using Canva. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I'm on Canva, canva.com, and my PDF is right here. This is the PDF I'd like to rearrange the pages. Now, all I need to do is come up to Upload Media. Click on that. You're going to get this new interactive dialog box where you can actually upload files from your computer or upload a folder. What I'm going to do is use the third option of drop your content here, or drag and drop. Left click, hold, and drop it right there. And once you do that, you're going to see the media uploading right here. And you, depending on the size of your PDF that you want to actually swap or reorder the pages, it may take a while, and also the number of pages it has. This particular PDF, I think, has about 21 pages. So it may take a while, but it's not that much waiting for. So we just give it a couple of seconds. And once it's done, we're actually going to now reorder our PDF. So there we go. It's done. And all I need to do is just click on it. And once I click on it, it's going to open up as a new design. So it's right here. And as you can see, it's already editable, more or less, because it's an editable PDF. And you can see a bunch of options. You can edit the text right there. The graphic is more or less static. But as for the text, you can edit it the way you want it to be. So let's assume you kind of wanted to reorder these pages. So all you can do is just click, hold, move, put where you want it to be. Click, hold, move, put it where you want it to be. It's super simple. Now, there's also another alternative. If I click on this particular Canva page and go back up to upload, I want to upload a PDF with a ton of text. So for example, I can just drag and drop this particular one here. And this one is full of text. And as you'll see, it's going to come up really quickly. As you can see, if I click on it, it's now going to be displayed in form of a document right there. So you can see page 1, and as you can see, when I hover, it's editable as well. Scroll down, you can see the different pages. So let's say we want page 5 to replace page 4. All you need to do is just click on this move up button. Click on that and it moves up to page 4, and page 4 moves down to page 5. It's super simple, and those are more or less two ways when you're dealing with a ton of text that are not displayed more or less in the design kind of interface of this nature. So as I mentioned, just move it where you want it to be right there. And once you're done, click on share, download, drop down PDF standard, and then click on download to download your reordered PDF pages in your PDF. That's it for this video, and that's how you can easily and quickly reorder a PDF for free using Canva. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.